Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best rotary tools that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have DeWalt DW660. With 5 amps of power, the DeWalt DW660 is the strongest product they tested. Rugged, chunky, and designed for lots of hard use, there's little doubt that it'll hold up to even daily action. On the other hand, this tool's mission in life is mostly as a rotary cutting tool, using spiral bits. Drywall installers love them, and it's well suited for cutting through sheets of material when matched with the right bit. It includes a cutting depth guide, and the tool-free collet is big and durable for longevity and easy tool changes on the fly. Despite clearly being designed for hard work, the DW660 isn't a versatile rotary tool, and it's not meant to be. There's no speed control, it's larger and heavier than other tools here, and that makes it harder to control for fine detail work. It's got a lot of muscle, and the included 1/4 collet lets you use die grinder tools with it. If your needs are in the trades and not the hobby shop, give it a look. Moving on at number 4, we have Dremel 3000-228. Everything has been well thought out, from the way tools are changed, to the design of the tool itself, with a continuously variable speed control that's easy to reach while in use, not to mention the deep universe of accessories and attachments for a lot of versatility. It's sized just right and seems to be designed with input from experienced users. The Dremel 3000 is easy to handle. Its 1.2 amp motor has enough power to do just about any small task like carving, cutting, grinding, or polishing. Matching the attachment to the work will get you the best results. None of these tools were all that happy cutting shapes out of our thick piece of birch plywood using a spiral bit, though the Dremel put in one of the best showings for that test. At number 3, we have Dremel 4300-540. Its rotary tool. When it comes to choosing a top-tier, high-quality rotary tool, the Dremel 4300 is certainly near the top of the list. This powerful corded rotary tool features a 1.8 amp motor with a speed range between 5,000 and 35,000 RPMs. It comes with a detachable work light, a universal chuck, and several accessories including grinding and sanding wheels, cut-off wheels, carving bits, and more. All of these items store in the hard case to keep them safe and organized. During testing, the Dremel 4300 proved to be incredibly powerful. Even when cutting through thick steel, it barely slowed down, meaning it was able to cut through faster than any other model. We really liked the detachable work light on the collar, and removing it and swapping it for other collars was a breeze. It's also worth noting that this kit came with the best accessories, including Dremel's Easy Lock, cut-off wheels, which don't require a tool for swapping the discs on and off. At number 2, we have Goksui Rotary Toolkit. Whether it's for crafting, metalworking, or woodworking projects, the Goksui Rotary Toolkit offers an affordable way to get to work. More than 100 attachments and accessories come with this handy tool, so users can tackle stone, glass, or metal engraving, cutting, wood carving, model making, metalworking, and more. It features a 1.3 amp motor that generates speeds between 8,000 and 30,000 RPMs. Goksui's rotary toolkit was the big surprise in our test. It came with all of the accessories most DIYers will ever need, including cut-off wheels, grinding stones, sanding discs, and polishing wheels. It also came with a guard collar for safety as well as replacement brushes for maintenance. It ran smoothly and had enough power for most tasks, but it was noticeably underpowered compared with some other models when it came to cutting the steel. And finally at number 1. WEN 2305 Rotary Toolkit. The tool itself wasn't terrible, though it was slightly underpowered compared with the Dremels and the Milwaukee option. It comes with a lot of accessories, but the real issue is that it was downright dangerous. 2 wheels broke during cutting, sending chunks flying everywhere. Thankfully, they were wearing safety glasses. As a result of this, they would not recommend the 2305 kit. The lightweight build makes intricate designs easy to execute, allowing you to carve small and complex designs into glass, plastic, wood, steel and more. Remove rust from rusty stuff. Trim your dog's toenails. Engrave beautiful images into your neighbor's windows while they're vacationing in Rome. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination and federal law. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.